trying to pull. Hey, where y'all going? All right, wait for us. Wait for us, please. Y'all on the other side. Oh my Lord. You see this? Yo. That's wild. Oh man. We're on the top of the lookout and you can see everything up here. Oh, I'm claustrophobic. I don't like high stuff. Oh my Lord. Holy shit, that's a long fall. I do not want to see what's down there, bro. Oh man. That's a steep fall there. That's incredible. That's crazy. Oh man, that's nuts.
I'm going down.
Yeah, me too. Going down now, and that's kind of scary.
Alright, let's go to the actual nature part.
Yeah.
Where's Mason?
Are they stuck up there? I like your perception. I'm just gonna leave. If they follow, they follow.
Mason! Gia, let's go! Come on, Mason, Gia! Get me late!
I love little Ariana. Look how she gets down. Take your time, baby.
Hurry up, let's go. I'm going first. What's the snake?
Come on, Gia.
Gia, we're gonna go look at animals.
Hi, Mason! Mason! See you!
All right, guys, let's go.
I'm right here.
Damn, I wonder what the hotel look like. They got complimentary breakfast. I don't have it going. They got complimentary
Yeah.
breakfast.
Yeah.
I have this one. Damn. All right. You call it Dora the Explorer?
She's
Ah, come on, B. Look at them trees. They different. They look like, yeah. I tell you.
Wait, this is open until 7 a.m. Just 2 and 2.
Really?
No, you better not go up there.
Hey, nothing. All right. What?
Yeah.
Well, that happens all the time. It's like it takes
Maybe it's
longer
like driving
driving.
back.
Yeah, driving back is gonna be quick.
Like when we were going
Yeah.
up, it was like so long.
Yeah.
It was like so long, but then it was like 4 flights up.
Maybe going down is just easier.
Right, that's true.
So like this.
Yeah, getting up there was crazy.
Where's Monkey Island?
Monkey Island? I think
That's in the
by,
Everglades too?
like, Fort Myers.
Oh,
area.
Fort Myers.
I'm not sure.
Can't believe monkeys in Florida too.
Huh.
And GTA 6 based on Florida. That's
Oh,
the
yeah?
coolest shit. Yeah. This year is gonna be epic with GTA 6.
Nice.
Yeah, man.